Welcome to Hustle Hackers, the channel where we show you how to take everyday assets and turn them into powerful income streams. We bring you real ways real people are making money without needing to be influencers, coders, or have a massive pile of cash. And today we're diving into one of the most surprising and scalable opportunities out there, renting out your swimming pool through a platform called Swimply. Think Airbnb, but instead of renting out a bedroom, you rent out your pool by the hour. And thousands of people are doing it right now, making anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month with very little overhead. In this video, you're going to learn everything: how it works, how much you can make, how to set it up, real-world case studies, the guests who book, how to stand out in your market, how to market your listing, and advanced strategies to scale it into a small brand. Whether you have a backyard pool or just like the idea and want to partner with someone else who does, stay locked in, because we're giving you the full blueprint. First, what is Swimply exactly? Swimply is an online marketplace that lets you list your private pool for hourly rental. You set the price, upload photos, write a description, and pick your availability. Guests search by location, and when they find your pool, they can book it for anywhere from 1 hour to a full day. Swimply handles the calendar, payments, and insurance. All you have to do is make sure your pool is clean and ready. Swimply started in the US, but is now active in Canada, Australia, and slowly expanding into the UK. The business model is simple. They take 15% from your earnings and charge a 10% fee to guests. The rest goes straight to your bank account. So how much can you actually make? Let's talk real numbers. One host in Los Angeles who owns 5 pools across multiple rental homes brings in over $22,000 every month. Another host in Oregon made over $85,000 in one season with a single property, just by upgrading the backyard space and listing it consistently. Even everyday homeowners are pulling in serious cash. A couple in suburban Florida earned $900 in their first 30 days. Another host with a small pool in Austin made $3,000 in July alone, just from weekend bookings. But it gets more interesting when you realize who's actually booking these pools. This isn't just families looking for a splash. Swimply guests include swim coaches who teach private lessons, therapists offering water-based treatments, content creators filming music videos and brand promos, Airbnb guests looking for private pool time, fitness trainers running aquatic classes, parents of neurodivergent kids who don't feel safe at public pools, and then there's the party crowd: birthdays, anniversaries, date nights. One host said their most frequent guest was a yoga teacher who held water meditation sessions twice a week. Another said their pool became a favorite spot for a local photographer who needed interesting backdrops. So let's break down how you'd set this up. First, you sign up as a host on Swimply. It takes about 15 minutes. You upload your pool details: what type of water system it uses, how deep it is, whether it's heated or not, if guests can use the restroom, and if there's Wi-Fi or a grill or other amenities. Next, you upload at least 10 high-quality photos. This is key. Hosts with excellent photos, especially those taken in daylight, showing clean, sparkling water, and a few nice props like towels or drinks, get booked more and earn more. Then, set your price. Most hosts charge between $40 and $100 an hour. Start by looking at nearby listings, then go slightly under to attract your first few guests and build reviews. Once you have 5-star ratings, you can raise your prices, and guests will still book. Swimply deposits your earnings directly into your account every week. You can set blackout dates or block certain times. You can choose to manually approve each booking or allow instant bookings if you trust the process. Now let's talk about how to make your listings stand out. First, naming. Instead of calling it backyard pool, use something specific and emotional. Try secluded heated pool with sunset views, or saltwater oasis with lounge and fire pit. Second, clarity. List everything clearly. Are kids allowed? Pets? Alcohol? Is there shaded seating? Mention the availability of towels, restrooms, even phone charging. Anticipate questions. Third, reviews. After every session, send a short thank you message and ask politely for a review. 5-star reviews are your currency. Fourth, extra touches. A Bluetooth speaker, some nice lighting, floaties, or a shaded seating area can let you raise your hourly price by 20 to 30%. One host spent less than $150 on Amazon to add string lights, fold-out chairs, and a cooler, and instantly became the top listing in their zip code. Now let's deal with the big question: safety and liability. Swimply includes up to $1 million in liability insurance and $10,000 in property protection per booking. But that doesn't replace smart hosting. Install a self-closing gate or barrier. Have a no lifeguard on duty sign. Put out a rescue ring and a visible first aid kit. Keep chemicals balanced and always have pool rules visible. Consider texting them to the guests beforehand too. What about neighbors? This one's tricky. If you live in a tightly packed area, make sure your guest limit is reasonable and that you don't allow large parties unless you've spoken to your neighbors first. Most hosts cap bookings at 10 people. Let's break down a few host profiles to give you more perspective. Profile 1, the side hustler. This person works full-time and opens their pool evenings and weekends. They average 15 hours a week at $60 an hour. That's $900 per week, $3,600 per month. Profile 2, the passive owner. They travel often and leave their pool with a friend or cleaner. The listing runs on autopilot with instant booking. They do 20 bookings per month and make between $2,000 and $3,000. Profile 3, the partner model. This is someone who doesn't own a pool, but knows someone who does. They offer to manage the listing, messaging, and cleaning in exchange for a 50-50 revenue split. Some of these hosts manage 3 to 5 pools and make a few $1,000s per month just coordinating. After 10 to 20 bookings, you'll have enough data to optimize. You'll know what times guests prefer, which days are busiest, and what questions they ask most. You can start offering themed bookings, night swims, early morning fitness swims, romantic packages with candles and drinks, even dog-friendly hours if your space allows. Some hosts even create a brand. They print signs with their pool name. They make Instagram pages to show off the vibe. They create return guest discounts. One host we found calls their pool the Secret Soak and has a chalkboard wall where guests leave short reviews. Let's talk about marketing. Swimply does a decent job bringing in organic users, but smart hosts go further. Post in local Facebook groups. Message Airbnb hosts nearby and offer their guests a discount. Partner with swim instructors. Drop flyers at yoga studios or cafes. One host paid £20 for boosted local ads and got 5 bookings in 1 week. And if you want to diversify, use your pool space for more than just swimming. List it on Peer Space for photo shoots. List your fenced yard on Sniff Spot if it's dog safe. List your full backyard on Hip Camp if you allow camping. Add a gazebo or shaded table and run co-working retreats. We even saw one host turn their pool into a micro event venue, renting by the hour for micro weddings and elopements. Let's finish with your 7-day launch plan. Day 1, sign up and review Swimply's host guide and safety checklist. Day 2, clean and prep your pool and yard. Stage towels, chairs, and test lighting. Day 3, take at least 10 clear horizontal daytime photos. Use your phone in portrait mode or borrow a DSLR. Day 4, write your listing with clear rules and a benefit-driven title. Day 5, set your pricing and availability. Be open on weekends and evenings. Day 6, publish and test the guest booking flow. Message a friend to try it. Day 7, promote locally. Post on social media, share in local groups, and print flyers. 1 booking pays for the work. 10 bookings changes your summer. And consistent bookings turn your backyard into a business. If this gave you value, tap like so more people see it. And subscribe to Hustle Hackers for fresh weekly blueprints like this. Real, doable income strategies that anyone can start. Thanks for watching, and go make your pool pay for itself.